Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand or the House of Hamidi. House of Hamidi is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates. They have a very extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio, and this one is the first from them to unbox and give you my impression. This one is particularly called Addicted Intense by Hamidi. Is 120 ml Eau de Parfum, or it says Parfum. I'm not sure if it's a pure perfume or is it Eau de Parfum. Yeah, it says Parfum on it. It could be that. Anyway, I'll let you know later on. Okay, so as you can see, the box is very nice. It's dark grayish and it's very good attention to detail. As always, Middle Eastern brands, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way, with your finger, you can help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this. Your help, your encouragement will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. It's got a texture to it, the box, very nice texture. So it's got a nice textured box to it. And the bottle itself, wow, beautiful bottle. Look at that, luxury bottle. Whoa, especially for the price. Super heavy bottle. It's about 2 kilos of bottle. Mamma mia, what a beauty, what a thick glass. Dark, almost, yeah, it's not see-through, it's almost opaque. And attention to detail is everywhere. Beautiful, look at that, gorgeous. The cap is about half a kilo itself, is pure metal with this beautiful you know, Islamic Arabic design on it, and the atomizer is modern. And here we go, very good atomizer. It gives a big mist, beautiful. Wow, so far so good. Here we go. So this is Hamidi Addicted Intense 120 ml, and this is Parfum. I think it's pure perfume. Beautiful presentation, look at that. So how is the smell? Here we go, first impression. Yes, Creed Aventus number 3400. But is done beautifully. It's just the combination of these notes and the quality is mesmerizing. Ooh, one of the best in terms of Creed Aventus clones inspired copy, whatever you want to call it. One of the best quality, and it's dense and thick. So it is Parfum. It's not Eau de Parfum. It is pure perfume. Unbelievable. It's feeling the house, feeling the room. Oh man, it's gorgeous. So it's very rounded, it's very smooth, it's very good quality, no harshness whatsoever. It's just straight to the perfume itself, and what a perfume it is. It's done to perfection. So I'm getting all the usual suspect. I'm getting the citruses, I'm getting the fruits, blackcurrant, I'm getting the pineapple, apple, I'm getting, yeah, the rose and the jasmine and the birch. The birch is here at the moment, is not that smoky, tiny, just very minimal amount of smokiness to it right now, but almost non-existent. Yeah, the patchouli, the vanilla, goodness me, this is beauty in a bottle. Gorgeous, and it's quite musky as well. Yeah, very good. For the opening, 10 out of 10, but you know me, I'm biased towards the DNA of Creed Aventus, so I'm loving it. I give it 10 out of 10 for the opening. It's gorgeous to the max. It's basically, I'm smelling Creed Aventus. It's that good. I can't smell a clone. I can't smell a copy. I can't smell an inspired fragrance. This is like Creed Aventus, and you put it in this bottle. In terms of presentation, is better than Creed Aventus. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous presentation. In terms of smell, is as good if not better. In terms of quality, is as good if not better. In terms of the price, is 10 times cheaper. Yeah, I paid, I think it's less than £50 this one. You can find it less than £50 United Kingdom, but this one is not readily available. Is quite hard to find. Every time it comes in stock, it goes out of stock super quick, because the people who bought it before, they know what they're buying. And I was wondering why it's going out of stock so quickly, because there are so many Creed Aventus inspired fragrances out there. And now I know the reason, because this is absolute gorgeousness and is perfection in a bottle. Very smooth, very rounded, very mesmerizing, and I can detect each note. It's not like amalgamation of everything and you can't tell what is what, which is usually you get with lots of synthetics. This one, obviously with this price point, we have some synthetics, but I bet you anything, at least about 40% of this is natural, because I can detect each and every notes in here very distinctly. And that's mark of a good perfumery, mark of a good high quality ingredients, even though some of them might be synthetics. Beauty. I'm just speechless. If you like Creed Aventus clones and you want the best, this is number one for now. The only thing is, let's see how is the performance. At the moment, it's feeling the house, feeling the room. It looks like it's going to perform well. If it performs well and the smells develop to, or at least it stays like this in terms of quality, mamma mia, every other perfume or clone of Creed Aventus should go aside, and this one is going to be the new king. Is that good? Everything is just perfection. It's like a symphony of notes in here. Wow, beauty. I'm sorry, it seems like I'm hyping it. I'm not, because I know what I'm talking about, because behind me there are about 35 best Creed Aventus inspired clones, copies of perfumes out there behind me, and I know each and every of them, and I wore each and every of them. This one, it tops them by a mile. Yes, I'm very, very happy. Ooh, gorgeousness. Anyway, in the next video, what I do, I'll give you the result of longevity, development, things like that. But yes, 2 thumbs up. I give it 4 thumbs up. Yeah, if I was an octopus, I would have given it 8 thumbs up. Worth every penny. Under £50, this is a bargain compared to 300 plus Creed Aventus, and those ones, they don't perform. And also is 100 ml, this is 120 ml, so it's like a older version of Creed Aventus bottle. Yes, the new king, at least for now. Till next video, I will let you know the result. Okay guys, thank you very much. Don't forget to hit those buttons. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, you know what to do. They are in there. And see you later. Bye.